Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can export your databases and pages on a Notion into JSON file format. So let us guide you through this. It is actually no rocket science. So head over to your workspace on Notion and select your database from that list here to the left. So it can go with that database here, or I may go also this one here for demonstration purposes. It doesn't matter actually. So what you want to do is open the given database and click into these three dots in the very top right corner and select export from that menu below. And here under export format, guys, make sure that you select PDF. On default, it should be on Markdown and CSV, but you may click into that arrow down icon and select PDF. Go through that short setup, for example, select the page format and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, click into export to export your database in PDF format. That may or may not take a moment, of course, depending on the file size. And there you go. Once your database has been saved in PDF, you may, for example, unpack it really quickly. And once unpacked and saved on your computer, guys, head over to this website here. And after that, select convert PDF to JSON. So let me find it really quickly. There you go. Click into it. Click into this button here to upload your PDF database or database in PDF on your computer. So let me do that really quickly. Wait for the upload process to be finished. You will see the preview here. And last but not least, click into this button in the bottom right corner to convert your database from PDF format to a JSON. And that's basically it. After that, click on that button here to save it on your device. And in some cases, guys, it may be necessary to unpack the file or folder again to gain access to your database now in a JSON format. And that's basically it. That's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.